Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman Unleashed. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with interior color by Jose Garibaldi. Dogman, our story thus far. Hi everybody, welcome to our second Dogman novel. This comic introduction will help you get caught up on the epicness. In a world where evil cats wreak havoc on the innocent, and sinister villains poison the souls of the meek, one cop and one police dog had what it took to keep the peace. Stop, thief! No way! Officer Knight was the city's toughest cop. Super punching fist, can bench press 500 pounds, pure heart, needs of fury, kung fu kicking feet. Greg the dog was an awesome cop too. Loyal brain, hat, make a sniffing nose, super ears, tongue of justice, P.U. And together, they kept the city safe from scum. But then, a bomb? I'll put my best men on it. One tragic blunder changed their lives forever. Which one should I cut? Red or green? Okay, green it is. And so... Oh no! I forgot that dogs are colorblind! The doctor had sad news. Boo-hoo-hoo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying, and your head is dying too, cop. But just when all seemed lost...
Hey, why don't we throw Greg's head onto the cop's body?
Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius.
I know.
And soon, a brand new crime fighter was born. Oh man! I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever! And it was true. Dogman had the advantages of both man and dog. But there was a dark side too. Dogman had some very bad habits. He slobbered all over everybody. Oh, gross! He was obsessed with balls. And for some weird reason, he liked to roll around in dead fish. Oh man!
Not again!
Dogman, you are an awesome cop, but you are a bad doggy! You better be a good boy, or you'll be in the doghouse! Will our hero be able to overcome his canine nature and be a better man? Or will his bad habits get the best of him? Find out now! If you like action, suspense, romance, and laughs, then Dogman is go! Dogman is go? That'll make no sense, but we like it! Enjoy! Chapter 1. The Secret Meeting. Early one morning at the cop station, Dogman was being very obnoxious.
Hey! Stop it, Dogman! Let go! Cut it out! Hey, what's this? Chief's birthday is today! Let's have a party! We can all help plan it! Calling all cops!
And so, I'll make a card. I'll bake a cake. We'll do the decorations.
Now all we need is presents.
What should we get him?
Chief is always forgetting stuff.
I know. Let's give him these brain ducts to make him smarter.
Good thinking. What else?
I know. Chief is very lonely. Hey, let's get him a pet to keep him company.
What kind of pet?
How about a fish?
Good idea. Fish are awesome pets.
And they aren't filthy and obnoxious like dogs.
Okay, it's settled. Dogman, I'm putting you in charge of buying a fish. But remember, don't buy a dead one. Chief does not like to roll around in dead fish. Only you like that. So don't buy a dead one.
Hey, we gotta hurry. Chief will be back in 2 minutes.
Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Who's a good fish buyer?
Dogman got so excited, he flipped. Flip-O-Rama is easy if you know the rules. Flip it, don't rip it. A haiku by Dogman. Ready?
Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Don't buy a dead one. Go get the fish!
Oh, hi Dogman. Hey! Dogman! Chapter 2. Penelope's Pets.
that dog had come again?
The pet store people did not like Dogman because he was a total pain. Oh! He sampled all of the kibbles, he licked all of the bones, and he played with all of the balls. Cut it out, Dogman! Look at the mess you made! Is that any way for a cop to behave? Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Oh! Give me that ball! Triple Flip-O-Rama. Ready? Drop it! Let go! Cut it out! Ow! My arm! Then he saw her. She was beautiful. She was fluffy. And she smelled great too. Soon, their eyes met. Can I help you? Dogman tried to remember why he was there. Dogman looked at all of the fish, then he found one. But, that one's dead! Are you sure you want to buy a dead fish?
Whatever you do, don't buy a dead fish.
Well, that fish cost $5 plus tax. But Dogman had no money. Aha! Just as I suspected. Wait here. Dogman wants to buy a fish, but he ain't got no money.
Hey, let's give him that evil fish.
What evil fish?
Follow me. He came to our pet shop last Friday the 13th with a wicked heart and a soul as dark as 1,000 midnights. I tried to put him in with the other fish, but he took over all of the little castles, stole every tiny plastic treasure chest, and bullied each fish who dared to cross his wretched path. Look upon the fishy face of evil!
So, we should give him to Dogman?
Yeah, why not?
Soon.
Here you go, Dogman, your very own butterfly fish. Hey, it's free, so no complaining.
Then...
How much is that doggy in the window? Oh, that's Susan. She's a rescue dog from the shelter next door. She's only $100 plus tax. Okay, here's $100 and here's some tax. Awesome! Here you go! Cool! We're gonna be best friends forever! Well, goodbye, Ripple! Hey! You're Dogman! I'm your biggest fan! Here's my card! See you later! Bye!
Chapter 3. Happy birthday, Chief!
Happy birthday to you!
Here's your presents, Chief. Oh boy, this is gonna be great! Shh. Wow, super brain dots! Who got me this? We did, because you are very forgetful. No, I'm not! That's so rude! I'm not forgetful at all! We're sorry, Chief. That's better! Wow, super brain dots! Who got me this?
Look what Dogman got you!
Oh boy, a fish! I always wanted a fish! I'm gonna name you Flippy!
Hooray!
Later, you can live here, Flippy! Hey Chief, don't forget to take your brain dots! Oh yeah! Directions. Don't take a lot, never more than a dot, or something may happen. We ain't saying what. Ooh! 1 dot. No. I'll just keep the rest of it up here. Hey, it's time for lunch. And what happened next? Well, in this book they say, Flippy's brain grew 11 sizes that day. Chapter 4. The Big Robbery. 1 hour later... Oh? Hello?
There's been a pet store robbery.
Where?
At the pet store.
Oh, I'll put my best man on it. Oh, Dogman!
Wait! No! Stop it! Back, doggy! Dogman, the pet store was robbed. Who wants to go to the pet store? Does Dogman want to go? Does Dogman want to solve the crime? Who's gonna catch the bad guys? Go get them!
Dogman, you're our hero! Wait, what?
Hey!
Oh, Dogman, it was horrible. I came back to my pet food, and a mysterious stranger barged in and cut us up. Then he robbed the store. Fortunately, Zuzu chewed through one of my ropes, and I was able to get my hand free. When he wasn't looking, I snapped a picture of him on my phone. What do you think, Dogman? Dogman?
Hey! Give me that ball!
Wait a minute.
Chapter 5 Petey's Big Escape. 1 hour later at cat jail.
Breaking news. Pet shop robbery.
Hey, I recognize that guy. That's Petey. Petey, I'm gonna put you in jail. I already am in jail. But you robbed the store today. I haven't even escaped from jail yet today. Well, too bad, because when I catch you, I'm gonna put you right back in that cell where you belong. Somebody is impostering me. That's pretty sus. I'm going to get to the bottom of this. But first, I have to escape. I saw this in a book once. Oh, guard! Help! My bulletin board fell on me! That's dangerous. Petey, no! No! You got flat! Speak to me! Why was I so mean to you? What will I ever do without you? I'm gonna call 911. Oh, don't you die on me! Don't you die on me! Help him! Help him! Which doctor should we take him to? Huh? I said, which doctor should we take him to? Which what? Which doctor? Okay, if you insist. Soon, Dr. Boogie Fever PhD, the witch doctor, is in. Can you bring him back to life, Doc? Sure, I have just the thing. Living spray. But I gotta warn ya, the spray sometimes makes stuff turn evil. It's okay, dude. Yeah, he was pretty evil to begin with. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm flat. Hey, this could come in handy. Not so fast, Flat Petey. We're taking you back to cat jail. I'm locking the door so you can't escape us. Ha! Locked doors can't stop me. I'll slide under. Oh yeah? You're trapped, Flat Petey. And if you give us any trouble, I'll bop you with this rock. Tell me, have you ever played rock, paper, scissors? Yeah? Oh! Paper always beats rock. Ha ha! Duh! I'm not done with you! Inside of a magic bag, I have many surprises. Here it is. Obey spray. When I spray you with this stuff, you will become my servant. The cloud of spray got closer, and Flat Petey had to act fast. Quickly, he folded his face into the shape of a fan. Fliporama. Flip like the wind. Ready? A fan with a plan. Flat Petey's flipping fan face blew the cloud backwards. I am your obedient servant, Flat Petey. Sweet! Chapter 6 A bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile...
Hi, Dogman. It's me, Sarah. I just found out a clue. The pet store cook didn't steal money. He only stole little treasure chests. And guess what they were made out of? No, they were made out of plastic. I just wrote a story about it on my news blog.
Soon...
Pet store cook steals treasure chests. But why?
So, my imposter is obsessed with treasure chests, huh? Aha! I know just how to trap him. And so... Triple Flip-O-Rama. Ready? Soon, the treasure tank 2000 was built. Now I just need to fill it up with treasure. But how? Of course! This love ray should do the trick. Soon, I'll catch my imposter and end up with a chest full of treasure. Yeehaw! Meanwhile, on the other side of town, a mysterious stranger was up to no good.
May I help you?
Yeah, I want to buy the biggest castle in the city.
Right, that'll be $1 million plus tax.
Okay, here you go.
What's this?
It's a bunch of treasure chests filled with gold.
Right, but these aren't real treasure chests.
Huh?
This is just a bunch of plastic toys, right? They're not real gold, right?
They're not?
Real treasure chests are wooden and filled with gold, right? Like that one on TV.
Ha ha ha! Come on, everybody. Fill this chest up with your treasure and stuff.
Oh no! Petey the Cat is warning people to fill treasure chests with loot.
No, I'm not. People are giving me their loot because they love me. Here, I'll show ya.
Hey look, it's Petey. Let's run.
With my patented love ray, I can make anybody fall in love with me.
Ooh, look, there's Petey. I think I'm in love.
Haba haba.
Hey Petey, let's get married and stuff.
Yo, let's switch it up, brah.
No thanks, just give me all your money if you love me so much.
Okay, here's all the loot,
handsome.
Cha-ching! I must steal that treasure chest.
Right, but you can't steal that. That's stealing.
Don't tell me what I can't do! With my amazing telekinetic mind powers, all matter is under my control. Be gone from me!
Thank you, come again.
Chapter 7. Big Fight. Soon, things began to get out of control. Petey was zapping everybody with his love ray, and everybody was falling under his spell.
We love you, Petey!
Dogman stood atop a nearby building, watching the tragedy unfold beneath him. Ha ha! Quickly, he reached into his shirt and pulled out his favorite bone. Dogman tied a string to his bone and gave it a toss. Dogman gave the string a tug, and then... Well, 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 look who finally showed up. I suppose you want to fight, but why should we spend our time fighting when it feels so much better to love? Huh? Hey, where'd he go? Suddenly... Hey! How'd you get over there? You let go of that controller right now! That is not a ball! That's a sophisticated piece of machinery! Triple Flip-O-Rama. Ready?
Whoa, 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 stop! Let go of that! Drop it!
Uh-oh!
Petey, are you okay?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh goody! Now we can get married!
Hey, I want to marry him.
We saw him first!
Now wait just a minute.
Kiss me, Petey!
No, kiss me.
No, me!
No me.
Hey, well, let's be reasonable.
Give me some sugar, baby!
Yeah!
Here, kitty kitty! Smoochy smoochy!
Meow meow meow.
You're perfect!
Chow chow chow.
Let's have a fancy feast!
It's now or never.
Brandy needs some tender rhythm.
We ain't kidding around! Let me in!
Open up, Petey. Sorry, losers. It looks like jail is the only place I'm safe. Petey, you're alive. You've come back to me. My prayers have been answered. 'Cause you are the wind beneath my wings. Chapter 8. Flat Cat Fever. Meanwhile, back in town, the tensions were still high. Dogman would not let go of the ball. Sarah tried to convince him.
Jump the ball, Dogman!
Zuzu tried too. Even Chief couldn't make Dogman listen to reason.
Bad doggy!
That crazy dog-headed cop is never gonna let go. Fortunately, I have a plan. Come on, Dr. Boogie Fever. What are we doing here? You'll see. Give me that can of living spray. Here you go, boss. Shh, shh, shh. It's alive! Obey spray! Obey spray! Alright, listen up, bub. From now on, you have to obey me, and I order you to destroy Dogman. Let's go. Yee-haw! Say your prayers, Dogman. We're coming to get ya. We'll get off here. Flipporama, cheesy animation technology. Ready? Jurassic Park. It looked like this was the end for Dogman. Everyone was terrified. But then, Zuzu got an idea.
What are you doing in my purse, Zuzu? Zuzu! You're a genius! Chief, you gotta tell him!
Oh!
Dogman! It's bones! It's bones! Dogmen are made out of bones!
When Dogman realized the truth, he stopped being afraid. Dogman loved bones, so he just did what came naturally. Triple Tickle-rama. Ready? Hey! Warning. Laughter may undo the effects of obey spray. Oh well, at least I got the treasure chest. Hey Bub, guess what time it is? It's time to start spending some of this moolah! Not so fast! Huh? Chapter 9. The Mysterious Stranger Returns.
Hey look! Some old dudes are fighting. Let's watch.
You're not going anywhere. That treasure chest belongs to me.
Oh yeah? Who are you?
Who I am is not important. The important thing is what I can do.
The mysterious stranger uses mind powers to pick up a phone booth.
What's a phone booth? Beats me.
The mysterious stranger then levitated a stack of newspapers.
What's a newspaper? Beats me.
Next, he grabbed a mailbox.
What's a mailbox?
Beats me. Then he grabbed some other stuff with his brain.
What's a fax machine? Beats me. What's a VCR? Beats me. What's an Apple Watch? Beats me.
Things were beginning to seem hopeless, until Zuzu came up with a plan.
Zuzu! No!
Huh? Ah!
Hey, that's my orange table. And this overcoat looks familiar too. Property of Chief. Somebody's got a lot of explaining to do. Flippy? Why, Flippy? Why?
What I'd like to know is, how?
Well, I'll tell you. Earlier today, I was minding my own business when I heard a loud sound, followed by a lot of little sounds.
Suddenly, my brain began to think like never before. I became aware of universes beyond my own. Soon, I found that I could move things with my mind. I could make stuff bend to my will. I could talk. I could walk. And with a little ingenuity, I could even pass as human.
Hi, Chief.
And now, I shall use my super mind powers to steal that treasure chest. Hey! Where did it go?
That tank thing you took off during your expositional monologue. It went up that mountain over there.
I'll get you, Flat Petey, if it's the last thing I do!
Come on, gang. Let's follow them in my cop car. Thank goodness for these snow tires.
Soon, they reached the top of the mountain.
Hey, you guys missed all the fun.
Poor little Flippy. He was so excited, he forgot all about how water freezes up here. I got to go. I just love frozen fish. Ha ha ha. Looks like we won, Flat Petey. What do you mean we? I did all of the work. You're nothing but a mooch. I ain't sharing my treasure with you, bub. Body snatching for dummies. With his last bit of super brain power, Flippy raised the book and speed read every page. I've just discovered how I can't live forever. All I need to do is concentrate. Flippy calmed his mind and focused. Deeper and deeper he concentrated. Soon, Flippy's soul was transformed into pure energy. It worked! But I must act quickly. According to that book, I've only got 2 minutes to transfer my soul to somebody else. Then I can snatch their body and live forever. I think I'll snatch Chief's body.
Run, Chief! Run!
Go ahead and try. You can't outrun a ball of pure energy. When Dogman heard the word ball, he stopped being afraid and just did what came naturally. Ready or not, Chief, here I come. I'm coming to get ya. Hey, let go of me, Dogman. I am not a toy for you to play with. Drop me. Drop me right now. My time is running out. Suddenly, Flippy's soul began to get smaller. I'm melting. And smaller. Melting. And smaller. Oh, what a world, what a world. And smaller. I'm going. And soon, he was no more. Good boy, Dogman. Chapter 10. An Ice Ending. Alright, Flat Petey. I've had enough of your monkey business. Now get in my car so we can all go home. You mean that car? You destroyed my car! Now how are we supposed to get off of this mountain? You're not! You're supposed to freeze! Let's face it, I won! You see, paper doesn't freeze, but you guys will! Even if you started walking down the mountain right now, you'd still be frozen solid before you got halfway to the bottom! There's no other way down! I've got 3 words for you guys. Huh? Huh? Ha! So, do you losers have any last words? What could you possibly have to say? Well, spit it out, man. Oh, gross! You got dog slobber all over me! Now I'm all wet! Cool!
Fluffy was right. Paper doesn't freeze, but wet paper freezes very quickly.
Flat Petey was now a thick sheet of ice. Dogman climbed aboard, and soon... Swoosh! 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 Whoosh! 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 The whole gang zipped to the bottom of the mountain, laughing all the way. Hey, my base spray wore off.
Ain't you glad you ain't gotta obey nobody no more?
I sure ain't. But there was one person who wasn't glad at all. Hey! You guys froze me and used me like a snowboard! Now I'm all scratched up! You can't treat paper like that! Flat Petey, have you ever played rock, paper, scissors? I'm aware of the game. Why? Cause scissors always beats paper. Triple Snipporama. Ready? Sheer terror. Don't get snippy with me. I like big cuts and I cannot lie. Yeah! Good boy, Dogman.
You're a hero!
Hooray for Dogman! Epilogue.
We're going home to write a news story about the adventure.
Okay, bye. Well, Dogman, it looks like it's gonna be a long walk home. You know, today was quite a day. Nobody learned anything. There was no atonement, no rebirth, no revelations, and not an ounce of character development or personal growth. It was all just a bunch of mindless action and dumb luck. What I mean is, today was the best birthday ever! The end.
But wait, if you thought our adventure was over, you ain't read nothing yet.
At this very moment, George and Harold are busy making their next Dogman epic novel. Check it out! Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties. He was the best of dogs. He was the worst of dogs. It was the age of invention. It was the season of surprise. It was the eve of super sadness. It was the dawn of hope. What the dickens is going on? If you like action, and thrills, and laughs, then Dogman 3, read aloud with sound effects by C-Ret, is go! Dogman 3, read aloud with sound effects by C-Ret is go? That still don't make no sense. But we like it!